Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. All right, somebody asked me, can you be charged with a crime for posting a picture on Facebook that does not show her face? What are you doing that makes you question whether or not posting a photo on the internet is a crime? If you're asking this question, there's a really good chance that if there's not a legal reason that you shouldn't be posting this photo, there's probably a moral reason not to post the photo. So let me start with this. My rule of thumb is don't post anything online that you wouldn't put on the front page of the newspaper, and assume everything you post online is going to be seen by 4 people. Your best friend, your worst enemy, your boss, and your mother. If you don't want one of those people seeing what you're thinking about posting, don't put it out there. Now, to actually get into the guts of your question. Could you be charged with a crime for posting a photo online? Yes. Even if it doesn't show the person's face, potentially. If a person's face isn't the only thing that discloses their identity, there could be circumstantial evidence that would reasonably lead a person looking at it to know who's in the image. So if it's in a person's bed, if the shape of the person matches the actual person, and then the surroundings is like the person's bedroom, it's a good chance it's that person. Are there other identifying marks? Things like tattoos or scars or other things in the room, like a pet, or if the person is wearing a garment that is only they are the only people that own it, or something that just kind of discloses who this person is. Yeah, it could be a crime. Plus the metadata in the image could disclose information about the date, time, and location, which could be enough to indicate who's in the image, or if there's other data contained in the image that would allow someone to piece together who it is. Yeah, it can be a crime. So a good rule of thumb, it sounds like for you, is that if you have to think twice about posting something or have to ask any type of question about whether or not it's appropriate, it's probably not. So just don't. But yeah, if you've done something criminal, could you be charged? Yeah. Even if a person's face isn't either visible or fully visible. So yeah, this definitely goes in the file of think before you post. And if you have to ask twice, just don't do it. So, as always, this video does not constitute legal advice, merely legal information. Watching this does not create an attorney-client relationship with any person. I put out new content every week, so feel free to subscribe to the channel. If you think you've been the victim of a crime, call police. If you have a question about your rights, call a lawyer. I think that's all I have on this topic for now. So until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care. Behave online.